I'm Professor Neil Merritt. I'm the Foundation Professor of Surgery at Western Sydney University. Also the Head of Upper Gastrointestinal Surgery for South West Sydney LHD, which includes Bankstown and Liverpool and Campbelltown hospitals.
My name is Peter Cosman. I'm an upper GI surgeon in South Western Sydney as both an academic and a clinician.
CanDB is a web-based database for the patient's journey with upper gastrointestinal cancers. This provides a full comprehensive review of the patients as they present.
It allows a central repository of information that we haven't been able to achieve before. It uses international data standards.
As we look at their journeys, the timeframes for their journeys, the staging investigations, the protocols which have been developed, compliance with those protocols, and then the longer term follow-up of the patients and their outcomes.
Modular, and it's scalable, which means that we have separate modules for different diseases, for different treatments.
In terms of entering the data, it will be entered by both the clinicians and their fellows or the specialists in training.
The data is being managed jointly by Western Sydney University and South Western Sydney Local Health District and the Illawarra Shoalhaven Local Health District.
This really does provide a major improvement in the amount of information and data which we'll be able to interrogate to get good information from.
There will also be reports that are generated for health executives and for decision makers in relation to how the services are provided.
Which enables us to ensure that patients are receiving the best possible treatment in the best possible timeframes and within approved timeframes.
The other unique feature of CanDB that's not found in most other database applications is the granularity of the data. The data set that we gave to 50-second solution was incredibly complex. Despite that, 50-second solution had no trouble getting their heads around the data, where we sourced it, how we used it.
I've been very happy with what we've seen here. A system which is user-friendly, the interfaces are good, it's very intuitive on the way that you're using it. It covers most of the areas that we want, and it looks to be fairly simple for someone to be able to train up on in a fairly short period of time.
50-second solution have been absolutely wonderful in terms of how they've managed this project.